So in that last video on the secretary desk, I showed you how I broke the hardware, but I didn't show you how I fixed it. So this piece was rusted to the nut, and as soon as I showed it a little bit of elbow grease, it broke in half. I do have hardware that is similar to this, but this part of it is too long. I need it to be this length, and this is 3 1/4. I could just steal the round things off of the other hardware, but this part is too small. So we're gonna go out there and make a bigger hole. That's a little tight, but that'll do it. Seriously, I got it stuck. What are the odds? Nah. I hope that was on camera. So in the boneyard, we have these. See what I mean? This hole's too skinny. We're gonna make the hole bigger. Well, that's not what I meant to do. Right, safety first. Where are my damn glasses? Be gentle, don't force it. Be gentle. I'm gonna show you what I just almost broke. So there's my drill, and there's the big ass mirror it almost broke. Be gentle. Did, however, bust my drill bit. It's taking way too long because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of these. Set 12 of these. 12. My daddy would call this Southern engineering. I don't like this game anymore. Got it. I can do it. 11 more to go.